Okay, guys, in carpentry, there's a number of reasons why you might need to find the exact center of a circle. So I'll show you the way I do it. I take a square and I line the corner up on the edge. And then once that's lined up, I make a small mark where each end intersects its edge. Then draw you a line from each of those marks and then do that again at another location. You have to do this step twice here. I like to put the corner right on the line I just made here. Make sure you're all the way at the edge. Same thing, mark where that one intersects the edge. Mark where that one intersects the edge. It's important not to mark the inside, always mark the outside. And then between those two spots, I draw another line. Really want to make sure this is about perfect if you can. Now, you don't at this point have 4 even quarters, but you do have a middle point, which means that from each of those quarters, you're able to 90 from that middle point. And then make a straight line off of that one. Now, I'll scribble these marks out because these were strictly for alignment early on. This quarter, this quarter, this quarter, and this quarter are all even 90s. You can use that for whatever you need. Perfect on that one. Perfect on that one. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 perfect 90s out of a circle using only a speed square and a pencil. No tape measures, no lathe, no rotary equipment of any kind. I hope you all found this helpful, and if you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all on the next one.